So yeah.
And not want to make no money.
Quick change today. Front sway bar, front frame brace, UMI MC Aerocoupe. You know what it is. Yeah, man, that's all I got left. Everything else will UMI. Get up under here, take all this old shit out. Yep, got up. Bit more shit to do. Got that on. Yeah, I might go back and change it, man. My sway bar, this front sway bar, I put 2 bushings at the top, 1 at the bottom, lock nut onto my little swivel piece because it doesn't go directly into the bottom A-arm. So I use my existing bolt. The other bolt was way too long. I may go back and put a washer in between those 2 bushings at the top, just so they don't just smush down on top of each other. I tighten it up pretty good before they start binding or anything, but I did it loaded. Once it got down, I tightened it up. That's what it said. Yeah. Changed up, clean some shit up. Change this piece in the front. Get that shit out of there. I still gotta do these tie rods. They look horrible. I'm gonna have to go back and get an alignment again when I do that. So yeah, buy anything.